Hey y'all, today we're gonna be making some roast fish. So get your snapper and some okra and some vegetables and let's get into the video. So there you see I have some creole seasoning, some onion powder, some old base seasoning that's always used on fish. It gives it a good flavor, some garlic powder, some black pepper, and I added some smoked paprika as well, and then you're just gonna combine those to season your fish. Make sure you wash your fish in some vinegar water and lime juice as well. And then once you combine those seasonings, you're gonna just add it to your fish, rub it all over because you want your fish to be seasoned to the bone. And you can preheat your oven at 350 degrees before you do this, but I'm going to be doing it on the grill. So in essence, we're doing a roast fish Jamaican style. So there you see I'm doing it to my other fish because I'm just preparing a small portion here. So just rub your seasoning all over in the head. If you don't like the head, you can cut it off. You can use whatever spices you like. And there you see I have some frozen okra, some frozen mixed vegetable. You're going to need some garlic, thyme, butter, green onions, and then you're going to need foil paper to roast your fish in. And I have some cooked callaloo that I had prepared before. You can watch that in another video. And there you see I'm stuffing my fish, and then I'm going to be putting my vegetable on top. If you like what you see here, be sure to subscribe, turn on that notification, and leave a comment in the comment section. Let us know where you're watching from. If you like our videos, if you'd like for us to show you a specific recipe, because we truly appreciate you for watching. And there you see I've added my butter, my thyme, and I added some pimento seeds as well. That's optional, but you can add that because that gives it some flavor. And then we're going to fold our foil paper and wrap it up to put on our grill or in our oven, whichever one you're using at this time. And I'm going to be showing you that process once again. And you know, this is such a healthy recipe. You can omit the butter if you are on a special diet, but for me, I'm using the unsalted butter, and I'm using that fresh callaloo to stuff it that was home cooked as well. I had some extra seasonings to this one because I had some left over from seasoning the fish. And then you see I'm putting in my butter and my pimento seed and garlic and green onions. And you're gonna love this recipe once you try it. And share a picture when you do, so I know that you liked our recipe and it turned out well for you. If you have a question, you can leave it also in the comment section. And there you see I'm folding it up again, and I'm going to put it on my grill for half an hour to 45 minutes because I have my grill on low heat. And then once that's done, you'll see our finished product. It is just going to be so melting in your mouth and tasty. I was grilling some other meat as well at the time and some sausage. So I decided to add some fish to the recipe as well. And there you're going to see the goodness after we have cooked for about 35 minutes to 45 minutes. We thank you so much for watching. We'll see you on the next video. Bye.